The storm's still going. This one right here too. And then I have a feeling this one's gonna get extended. Look at that, that's still going. Let me check IAMBOT. Mesoscale discussion.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Additional rainfall accumulations of up to 3 inches with locally higher amounts are expected. When, now through this evening, the following effects are expected: excessive
Oh Lord.
in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other
Downstream tornado watch likely?
Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Low water crossings may be flooded. Additional details: http://www.weather.gov/safety/.
This is gonna get extended. That rotation is not weakening.
Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time weather conditions across the bluegrass region of Kentucky.
It'll cut that way. So so it won't end up here. It'll cut this way, so we're good.
The wind was north at 10 miles an hour.
Austin somehow makes a bit of a hard turn and aims itself this way. So we're at risk.
Reducing the visibility to 2 and may have some difficulty on east-west roads
So I
in
don't
open
know.
areas. Dew point 57 and the relative humidity 97%. The wind was northeast at 29.5. Once again,
This still hasn't gone off for anything yet.
degrees with heavy rain. Elsewhere around the region, rain was falling with a temperature of 59 at Louisville, 56 at Bloomington,
That was weird. And I turn on right away.
and 63 at Jackson. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 73 at London and 73 at Middlesbrough. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 76
Oh,
at Bristol
what is this for?
and 76 at Knoxville.
Wilmington, damn it.
Eastern Barron and rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 60. The National Weather Service has no cloudy in the morning. Highs in the mid-40s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow after midnight. Lows in the upper 20s. Chance of snow 30%. Thursday, snow likely in the morning. Snow and rainfall 28.3 feet. Highs in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation 70%. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Snow 60%. And Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s. Here are the 1 p.m. weather conditions at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport at 11:58
Damn.
Eastern Standard Time. For portions of south central Indiana and north central Kentucky. Miles an hour, 100%. And tonight. Periods of moderate to heavy rainfall are expected through this evening, especially in Kentucky. Locally, heavy rainfall may cause thunderstorms may produce heavy rain in areas where heavy rain persists for more than a few hours. Southwest winds 5 There will also be a threat of severe weather with some of the
Coming right towards Greensburg.
southern Kentucky south of the Bluegrass and western Kentucky parkways.
There needs to be a reissue.
Damaging winds and hail but isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out.
Hell, I even draw.
And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday.
I have a feeling that's going to be the new warning blocks.
Weather will be possible late Wednesday night and on Thursday.
Check IAMBOT.
So be sure to keep abreast of the forecast over the coming days. Under information statement, spotters will be needed to report instances of heavy rainfall and severe weather today. Here is the hazardous weather.
Dude, that's in Greensburg.
Issued at 11:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. For portions of south central Kentucky.
For this
Partly
afternoon
cloudy
and
to
tonight,
becoming mostly cloudy.
periods of moderate to heavy rainfall are expected through this evening, especially in Kentucky.
Highs in the low
Locally, heavy rainfall may cause flooding impacts,
mostly cloudy with a
especially in areas
Something's wrong with Louisville. They're not issuing that new warning. They're not issuing a new warning for
There will
Greensburg,
also be a threat of
Kentucky.
severe rain with some of the strongest storms, mainly in southern Kentucky.
Highs in the lower
The
40s.
main threats will be locally damaging winds and hail from isolated
Something's going on.
tornadoes cannot be ruled out. And
Mostly
now the
cloudy with a
extended outlook
20%
for the
chance
period
of snow
Sunday through
showers.
Friday.
Lows
The
10 to
latest
15.
forecast suggests that a period of wintry weather will be possible late Wednesday night and on Thursday.
Well, there's a second area up here.
System is still uncertain, so be sure to keep abreast of the forecast over the coming days.
Into Marion County.
Spotter information
Therefore,
statement.
the warning for
Spotters will be
Taylor County
needed to
has been
report
canceled.
instances of heavy rainfall and severe weather today.
Until 7 p.m. for Central
This
Kentucky.
is a special weather statement for the following county, Montgomery,
Central Greene
Kentucky.
County is canceled.
Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of central Montgomery,
into Taylor
Bath,
County.
Fleming, and Rollin
Therefore,
counties through
the
2
warning for
p.m.
Greene
Eastern
County has
Standard
been
Time.
canceled. A
At
tornado watch
1:17
remains
p.m.
in
I'll come back when something interesting happens.
Central radar.
Right as I said that.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Stop for a second.
southeastern Greene County in central Kentucky, southeastern Marion
The
County
National
in
Weather
central
Service in
Kentucky,
Louisville has
Taylor
issued a
County
severe
in central Kentucky, northwestern
All right.
Casey County in central Kentucky, northeastern Adair County in south central Kentucky until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
No, let's
southeastern
do
Greene
FM.
County in central Kentucky, southeastern Marion County in central Kentucky, Taylor County in central Kentucky, northwestern Casey County in central Kentucky, northeastern Adair County in south central Kentucky until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 12:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Greensburg, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage or a possible tornado. Damage is likely.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
This severe thunderstorm will be near
Kansasville around 1:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Liberty. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central and Central Kentucky. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central and Central Kentucky.
The Bible says, I was in the Spirit.
Wind advisory remains. On Sunday for the fall. Lee and Wise. Now for Weather Service forecast for the hazard listening area. Today, patchy fog. Showers and
They were glitching. They were buffering for a second there. They're having some issues there for a minute.
Mobile homes,
6 p.m.
and
Central Standard
outbuildings.
Time for South Central
This
and Central
severe
Kentucky.
thunderstorm will be near Campbellsville around 1:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Liberty. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central and Central Kentucky.
However,
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
A tornado watch remains in
If you
effect
spot
until
a tornado,
6 p.m.
go at
Central
once
Standard
into the
Time
basement
for
or
South
small
Central and
central
Central
room in a
Kentucky.
sturdy structure.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect for Greene County until 1:15 p.m.
Or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central and Central Kentucky.
Allowed to expire for the following
This is a special weather statement for the following county, Montgomery, Kentucky. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of central Montgomery, Bath, with rain showers and freezing rain. Lows in the lower 20s. North winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast for the radio listening area.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County, northeastern Metcalfe County, central Adair County, until 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Edmonton, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated.
Golf
Impact:
balls.
people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Columbia around 1:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Kentucky: Adair, Greene, and Metcalfe. County in central Taylor County in central Kentucky, northwestern Casey County in central Kentucky, northeastern Adair County in south central Kentucky, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 1:15 p.m. Central. Located 9 miles northeast.
All right.
5 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky.
Oh my God.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Madison County in central Kentucky until 2:15 p.m. Eastern.
Tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 4. Winds at 35 miles per hour. Includes the following counties. The watch include tornado. Wind radar indicated till 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Kentucky, Bell, Breathitt, Clay, including Knox, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, Owsley, Perry, and Lee, Virginia.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Expected hazards include tornado.
94.5.
This is a radar indicator. Expected flying be struggles that will be damaged or destroyed.
94.7.
Tree damage.
96.1.
On the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid wind. In a mobile home.
96.9.
Trading it.
98.1.
Start.
And be occur.
Well, 1.9.
Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Madison County, including the following locations: Ivy, College Hill, Moberly, Elliston, and Doyleville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect
Oh,
yourself from
Madison
flying
County.
debris.
Now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
105.9 is out. That's not good. 105.9 is out. That isn't good. Alright, let's be it for right now. I'll see what else comes up.
Partly cloudy.